Hey everyone, welcome back to Cybersphere Chronicles. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both challenging and fascinating: the common issues faced by cable workers and how they overcome them. You might not think about it when you stream your favorite show or make a call, but the people who work behind the scenes to keep those connections live face a lot of tough situations. Cable construction work is no walk in the park. It's a demanding field, and it requires skill, expertise, and adaptability. So let's break down some of the most common challenges and explore how these professionals tackle them head-on. First up, let's talk about weather. Cable workers often have to operate in less than ideal conditions. Think extreme heat, rain, snow, and high winds. When you're dealing with cables and infrastructure outside, weather isn't just uncomfortable. It can be downright dangerous. For instance, working on power lines during storms or dealing with icy conditions while climbing poles poses serious risks. To overcome this, cable workers are trained to use safety equipment like insulated gloves, harnesses, and weatherproof gear. They also follow strict safety protocols to minimize hazards, such as postponing work during severe weather or ensuring that all equipment is grounded properly. Another big issue is the physical strain of the job. Cable workers often find themselves lifting heavy cables, climbing poles, or working in confined spaces like underground tunnels. It's a physically demanding career, and over time, it can take a toll on the body. To address this, many workers undergo specific physical training to build strength and stamina. They're also taught proper lifting techniques and the importance of taking breaks and stretching throughout the day to avoid injury. And it doesn't stop there. Companies invest in ergonomic tools designed to reduce the physical strain on workers, like cable lifters and specialized harnesses. Now let's dive into another challenge: equipment failure. In this industry, workers rely heavily on their tools, from testing meters to splicing machines and bucket trucks. When one of these fails, it can mean a huge delay in the job or worse, a safety risk. So, how do they deal with it? Preparation is key. Experienced cable workers always have backup tools and spare parts on hand. They are also trained to perform on-the-spot troubleshooting, diagnosing issues quickly so they can either repair the equipment themselves or call for assistance if necessary. Regular maintenance checks and equipment testing before starting a job are also routine practices to ensure everything's functioning as it should. Let's not forget the issue of underground cables. This might sound simple, but it's far from it. Finding and working with underground cables can be tricky and even dangerous. Sometimes cables are buried deep beneath the surface, and workers have to dig carefully to avoid damaging other utilities like gas or water lines. Miscalculations can lead to accidental damage, service disruptions, or even injury. To prevent this, cable workers use specialized underground locating devices to map out the exact position of cables before any digging begins. In addition, they often work with utility companies to get the most accurate layouts of the underground infrastructure. This kind of teamwork ensures that when they dig, they do so safely and precisely. Another problem cable workers frequently encounter is interference, particularly with fiber optic cables. When cables are too close to power lines or electronic devices, they can experience interference that disrupts signals and affects network performance. Fixing this requires both expertise and precision. Workers often use signal testers and analyzers to identify the source of the problem and make necessary adjustments, like adding insulation or relocating cables. Training and experience are crucial here because finding the exact source of interference can be like finding a needle in a haystack. Finally, let's discuss the pressure of meeting deadlines. The telecom industry is fast-paced, and customers expect services to be up and running as soon as possible. Whether it's an urgent repair or the installation of new lines, cable workers are often racing against the clock. The pressure to deliver quickly can lead to stress and fatigue, which is why teamwork and communication are essential. Companies usually operate in crews where each member has a specific role, ensuring that jobs are completed efficiently. Workers also have access to project management tools that help them track progress, allocate resources, and stay on schedule, all while maintaining high safety and quality standards. In the end, cable construction is about overcoming obstacles and solving problems on the go. It's a job that requires not just technical skill but also resilience, adaptability, and a proactive mindset. Cable workers are the unsung heroes who keep our digital world running smoothly, and the challenges they face every day highlight just how vital their role is. So next time you browse the internet or make a call, remember the hard work that goes into keeping those lines up and running. And if you enjoyed learning about these challenges and solutions, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay connected with Cybersphere Chronicles. We've got more industry insights coming your way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and connected.